Good morning, beauties. I hope you are having a day that's fit for you. I know I am. So, you're going to see a little room tour of where I have been staying. Not my whole time here, but part of the time I've been here, right? This is where I've been staying. And it's a really little, like, boutique style hotel that I have been able to enjoy. It's centrally located to town, so I've been walking to get food and hang out with the people that I've met. It's been great. I have really enjoyed this space, and I got to give a shout out to my friend Lauren, who turned me on to this place. Lauren, if you see this, you're the best. Mean it. And I miss you. I miss you. All right, so I thought I'm gonna show you this place and let you marvel at my skin, because the skin is skinny. And all I've been doing is getting rest. I'm gonna make a whole nother video about, you think that you are resting, black women? You are not resting. You are not resting. It's a different experience, right? When you take the time for yourself. And I really want to dedicate a whole video to just really talking about that. But in the meantime, I'm going on a tour of this island in a bit. And then I'm going to chill. See you later. Good morning, beauties. I thought I'd give you a little tour of this little boutique hotel I've been staying in. It's been a lovely stay here, but it is an interesting hike to get to my room. So I'm going to show you what's going on. So if you could see, let's see if I can zoom in, those solar-powered solars on top of that building is kind of the beginning of it, or where that little building is on the right. That is beginning. So that is the trail, right? You see that trail? I start walking from there, keep going, and now there's two options, and either one of them is still a hike. So if you take this trail, you have to keep coming all the way up here. Keep going. And then you go up here. I have walked this 2 or 3 times a day since I have been at this location. So I kept walking. Till I got to this walkway. Walked up here. Here's the room. So let me take you in so you can see it. So it's a really nice room. It's kind of messy because I've been living in here. So it smells good though, because I cooked some food in here this morning. So it has a nice kitchen area with the microwave, kettle, which is, I love the coffee pot. They give you these little coffee and teas. And then here's the kitchen area. Excuse the trash. I have to empty my trash. There's a full-size stove. It's a gas stove. Full-size refrigerator. This is considered a 1-bedroom, so it had a full-on living area. And then when you come in here, here is the bedroom. Yes, I was sleeping in the bed, so it's not me, but you can see it. And then there's a patio off the bedroom, which you've seen in my other videos, where there's the ocean, my favorite thing. And then if you come back here, you can see the closet and nice bathroom. Not fancy, but spacious and doable. So I really enjoyed my stay here. And I'm gonna show you one more thing on this room tour. So I told you there were two ways, right? All right, so if we go back down here, right, to that path that I was showing you, there is another way to get up here, which seems easier, but it's not. So the main walkway has like a fork in the road. You see it? Boom. So I could take this path, which is less steep than this path, but as you can see, it leads to the stairs. So that's the first flight of steps. And if I can scroll you in, there is the second flight of steps. That flight of steps leads to one more flight of steps. So there are essentially 3 flights of steps to get to this room. And like I said, I did this 2 or 3 times a day, every day, since I've been here. As you can see, there are the steps. Not even kidding. So, what I will say is there are some places that you need to consider the location if you have foot or knee or back or not in the greatest of shape to get to your room. Because I think I'm in pretty good shape. But I was huffing and puffing trying to get up here sometimes. There's also a smaller room, which I have switched into because they didn't have that room I was in. The large room was booked for part of the time. So here's the smaller room, which is still fine. So still the nice bathroom, but you can see it's a little smaller. There's the closet. There is the mini fridge and microwave. This room is smaller, still a nice king-size bed, the desk, TV and dresser. Still the ocean view. So, I can't complain. It's been lovely. I'm not mad at it. Of course, you know me. I like the other room better. But for the price, I can not complain about this at all. Like I said, once I'm checked out of here, I will tell you where I am. All right, so there is the room tour. See you later.